former president's trial is held in Fort Pierce. Prospective jurors will be chosen from 5 different counties, including 3 on the Treasure Coast. So if you live in one of those counties, what are your chances that you or maybe someone you know may serve on that jury? Contact 5 investigator Dave Bowman went in search of those answers today. He's joining us here in studio tonight. Dave?
Shannon, if Donald Trump is tried in Fort Pierce, prospective jurors will be chosen specifically among registered voters in the judicial district who speak English and are not under criminal investigation for a felony. We crunched the numbers for the 5 counties in the district: Highlands, Okeechobee, Indian River, St. Lucie, and Martin counties. Those counties' 563,000 registered voters will be randomly chosen to be in a pool of 18,000 prospective jurors who could serve in any federal cases over the next 2 years. So that means there's a 3.2% chance that someone in the district will make the jury pool. But only a fraction of those 18,000 will be chosen at random to make the jury pool if Donald Trump goes to trial in the next 2 years in Fort Pierce.
There's going to be a substantial amount of jurors that are going to be excused for cause.
Attorney Jason Weiser has tried cases in federal court. He says it may be hard to find a fair jury in the smallest area of the Southern District of Florida federal court.
You're looking at hardships where people just aren't going to have the ability to sit for 6 weeks or 8 weeks of a long federal trial.
Weiser says the politics of people on both sides in a district with a small number of potential jurors will eliminate even more chosen for jury duty.
Obviously, the polarizing issues in this case and the media publicity, people might have difficulty being fair and impartial.
Now, presiding Judge Eileen Cannon lives in Vero Beach. Her chambers are in the federal courthouse in Fort Pierce. But Jason Weiser says while she may have pretrial motions heard in Fort Pierce, don't be surprised if the actual trial is moved to Miami, Fort Lauderdale, or West Palm Beach due to that small prospective pool of jurors. I'm Contact 5 investigator Dave Bowman, WPTV News Channel 5.